In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Blackberry Cobbler recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 cups of blackberries, half a cup of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. In a bowl, we're going to add the flour and the sugar. Whisk until evenly combined. Add in the milk and mix until there's no lumps left. In a pan, we're going to add the melted butter. Slowly pour in the mixture that we made into the center. Add in the blackberries. Sprinkle the 1 tablespoon of sugar on top. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Our Blackberry Cobbler is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.